Hi friends, it's techhow and I am Litin. It is the next part of the 5 ways to improve your PC health and performance. In this part, you will learn the 5 more advanced ways to improve your PC health and performance. Okay, you have learned the 5 simple ways and you are going to learn the 5 advanced ways. It's for the advanced learners and users. Okay. The first way is just doing by the registry editing to improve the loading of your applications faster. You can do it by registry editing. Okay, just type on the search bar reg edit and open the registry, then in which select the HLM, that is HKey local machine. Under that, go to the current control set, then control and section manager, then go to memory management, and now at last the prefetch parameter. Prefetcher is the one that prefetch your applications before it's going to run. Okay, now change its default value. Okay, its default value may be 5, so you can put something like that 6 or 7 or up to 10. As higher your value, your system performance will be increased. Okay, for more informations and things about this way, please go into my YouTube tutorial, load your applications faster by using registry hacking. Okay, now we are going to the 7th way, that is we are doing by disabling the unwanted Windows updates. Okay, in which we are doing it by the local group policy editor. So doing it, you have to go to the local group policy editor by just type gp edit. GP means group policy. Okay, gp edit.msc. okay, then go to it, on that window under local computer policy, go to the administrative templates. Okay, administrative templates, then under that go to Windows components. When its settings are open, go to the Windows update, then you can see so much settings options. For that, see all these settings are not configured, so you can watch each of your settings and configure that to disable or enable, something like that. And if you are doing disabling or enabling or doing nothing to that, go to the next setting and configure all these settings, then at last pressing OK button, then close and restart your system to see the effect. Okay, now we are going to the 8th step or 8th way. In here we are disabling the startup task or startup applications that is being running at the startup time. Okay, we can do it by going to the system configuration. Just on the search bar, just type system configuration. Okay, sorry, system configuration. System. When you are typing just system, the system configuration will comes out. Okay, then select it. Under the startup tab, you may see there are some more startup items. Okay, then uncheck the one that you don't need. Here Adobe Update Startup and Adobe Reader and something like that, that I don't need, so I have unchecked it earlier. So you can do it by manually, that you don't need which of your startup item is unnecessary for you. Okay, then just uncheck that and apply button, then press OK. Now you can do disabling the services that servicing or running on the background when your PC is awake. Okay, there are so many services that is running, so you can uncheck the one you don't need, then applying. But beware of that, there are so many Microsoft services. When you are doing so and you have no idea which is the Microsoft service, it may lead to another problem. So you have to be aware of that. But don't worry, there is an option to hide all Microsoft services by unchecking the checking the box hide all Microsoft services. Then it will show only the services which no more includes to the Microsoft services. Okay, then you can see all those and uncheck the one that you don't need and press or check click on the apply button, then press OK. Okay, now the ninth way is the ready boosting. If you are, that means if you have don't enough RAM memory or you are running out of memory, you can increase your memory by connecting an flash drive or removable drive on your system. Now I am inserting a removable drive that is named as LR hashtag in the kth letter. Okay, you can apply the ready boosting by right click on that drive, flash drive that you have nearly connected, or you have to put the ready boost on, turn on, press on the properties, then under the ready boost tab select on the use this device button, radio button. Look, I am not used that drive earlier, so the default values do not use this device, so you have to check the use this device, then your system will decide how much amount of space that you can make up for ready boosting on that drive. Now I can use up to 4 GB, so please check your system and reserve the amount of space that you have to put on, then apply, press the apply button, then OK. The ready boost is the one which may looks like another RAM memory, and it will increase the system performance. Okay, now the 10th way is doing by applying a paging or increase the virtual memory space. Okay, the problem is that if you are running out of your memory, that means you don't have enough RAM memory for smoothly running the higher performance applications like that 3D gaming and 3D applications and multimedia editing and something like that. Your Windows and those applications may leads to stop, and it will leads to the poor performance and some kind of display problems and low memory and out of memory notifications and something like that. To prevent that, you have to increase the virtual memory space or create pages. Okay, now you may worry or you may wonder what is the virtual memory. The virtual memory is the one which we can create on the secondary drive. As you know, when we are open some kind of your application, it may going to load on that your RAM. If your application's memory is more than that of the RAM, then this applications may go into not responding notifications and something like that. Okay, so by creating a virtual memory, your RAM may put those applications programs or applications data back to that virtual memory, and it save so much amount of space on RAM, so it may lead to the best performance. Okay, now we are going to create virtual memory or paging. You can do it by just type do it by creating pages. Okay, so go to it by right click on. First you have to go to your system information. You right click on your computer and go to properties, or open your Explorer and right click on it and go to properties. It may seize the system information, or go to the search bar and type system information. Okay, when you are just typing system information will be comes out, and select it. No, sorry, it not it. Go to the system information, and on the left pane go to the advanced system settings, and there are several tasks on the under the advanced task tab. Go you may see some kind of options, but on the performance option go to its settings, and in which go to the advanced tab, and you will see the virtual memory settings. Now your total paging of all drives about 1.5 GB that have created by the system when you have installed your system. Okay, you can change it by manually by clicking on the change button, and uncheck on the automatically manage paging size for all drives, and select the drive that you have you want to change, and select on the custom size, and put the initial size in megabyte and the maximum size in megabyte. Okay, now we have seen that the total page for all drives is about 1.5 GB, so you can put the amount of size as your want or as your need. Now I have so much space on the D partition, so I can put so much memory like 8 GB or something like that on here, that is 8000 megabyte. That means 8 GB, and initial maybe 2 GB or something like that. Okay, then put as your want and press OK button. Okay, that's all. These are the 5 advanced ways to improve your PC health and performance. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Then please share, like and comment. Thanks for watching.